a lady called me, would have been either Thursday or Friday, because I think when the news broke, and of course there's a whole heap of different responses as to this, the value of and the impact that the festival song contest have. And, the general view is that yes, after the festival thing done, on the 7th of August, nobody not play them tune again, right? But people felt that in as much as they may not be happy with the messaging from the song. For example, the same one I just played. She stopped, she go. No, I could never, for the life of me, if I born again 10 times, I can't figure out where that song was going.
But
right?
I can't even realize why it even won in the first.
I can't imagine why. But the fact is, it end up in the slot, and Jamaica people in those days, because a popular song contest.
What did I say before?
Yeah.
If it have a little stupid hook,
And it's the hook.
Yeah.
People say, that them remember. And
exactly.
And so it grabbed them. Them go a road and them hear that, and immediately you know where you were.
And then Roy Rayan with his gospel feel, give thanks
well,
and praise.
The church thing will go win every time.
Them right? Go squirm, that is.
No, them have to squirm.
Them have to squirm.
And so you wonder, what were these people thinking? But the point though is that
Kotila Mama, Kotila Papa was 1986. That was the, trust me, that was the song.
Well, somebody said to me that,
and then astronauts make a jam. I want a woman.
I want a woman for jam.
Misogynistic.
Wait, no, but again, though, God, a lot of this had developed. A lot of these songs, in fact, came about because they changed the thing to what you call a popular song contest. And so, as Magic just pointed out, if you have a song that have a little rubbish in it, that is that remember. She stop, she go, she stop. That's what them remember. I doubt if you could ask Jamaican people which other songs were in the competition that year, and I doubt if 5 people could tell you any other song.
I've been searching for the second place and third place winner because we're far superior to that song, but for the life of me, I can't even remember. And unfortunately, the Festival Song Commission does not have a record of first, second, and third place winners.
True.
They only put up any search, you search anywhere.
Them just put up the winner.
First place winner.
There you go. So the question that it begs is, are we in fact, and again, we're not knocking anybody, these are agencies that are out there as sort of the guardrails of the island's culture. The music is an integral part of our culture. For 60 years, it's the singers, the songwriters who have taken us, through the paces. Again, to God, Magic, remember, in those early days, who was making the music? Is the little youth, them from around the corner, upon the corner, upon the ends, who sit up on the sidewalk. And so a lot of them grow up in this competitive flair. They would have them little area competition. You go in a Jonestown on Ascot Street and Pencil Street, and right under the street light, you have them, so the youth, them have them little singing contest. And you people have bet money, and once whoever win, them give them the pot. Yeah. That's where I know the thing come from. I stay with my auntie in a Jonestown in the early 1970s, and I witnessed that. Oh. And so the extension of that would have been like the contest. In the earlier days, you had Veer John.
Because again, if you really check it out, apart from a Tinga Stewart, I think, well, I'm only speaking out of ignorance, but I only knew about Tinga out of the Festival Song Competition.
Correct.
Brother Roman now was a whole different thing.
But
if you notice, apart from the early 60s with Toots and most of these winners, they were established artists. But if you look at the names of the listeners, the singers, apart from a Pam Hall and those other artists, most of the people are relatively unknown.
But that was the purpose of the popular song
It wasn't
contest.
for the big artists them. It was basically for artists who were just there, who didn't have a record label or who didn't have a hit song.
And so the intention, it appears
Because
to me.
astronauts, give me a song that astronauts sing outside of festival.
I don't.
No, there are festival artists as far as I'm
There was a
concerned.
festival group.
Right.
But the other one named
Roy
Stanley
Ray.
and the Turbines.
Well, no,
Well,
them kinda like a bit.
Stanley
had the
eventually
moment thing, yeah.
had done a lot
Because
of
then they were-
mental
before
things
that, they were the
himself.
Starlights.
Right.
And
Correct.
Eric Donaldson again, apart from
Festival brought him in. He was out there, but it was a festival thing that gave him the recognition,
Cherry Baby.
and he took that by the throat and never let it go.
yeah, there's the guy who won in 2002 with the song Progress, Devon Black. We haven't heard anything from him since then.
But that is what is the case with most.
1988, Singer J. We
Most
haven't
of
heard
them,
anything.
after them win, Heather Grant is another one who won. I think 80. What was that? 81 or 82?
Heather Grant was 1992.
92. What Heather went into radio after that. I don't remember her being out there on the hustings singing anything.
1994, when Stanley won with Dema Pollute, there was a guy, Clive Brown, Snowball,
Yeah.
with Chiquitita.
Chiquitita.
Yeah.
Chickity.
What did I say before? What did I say before? It have to have a little bit of
And then because he was missing, his
Front teeth. Yes, I remember that.
we made a parody. So me want for me tito, so. But let's touch a couple more songs.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.